Hi guys, today I'll share with you Ezylif low profile floor jack with double pump. Please like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive updates from my channel. This floor jack is perfect for all types of vehicle including SUVs, 4-wheels and trucks. It has a built-in safety valve protects against jack overloading. Hydraulic oil bypass system protects ram from being overextended. Quick start double pump technology for fast operation to contact point. And a super low profile 75 mm to 505 mm lifting range. The capacity is 3 tons and the gross weight will be 36 kg. Thanks for watching and please subscribe if you find this video helpful.